Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Pruner with Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply a Hammertoe cushion and a couple little tips and tricks to make them last longer. So this is a Hammertoe crest pad. They can come in the silicone form as well as the cloth. Either one is fine. Silicone is a little bit more easier to manage if you sweat a lot, but these in general, either way, they work really well. So you have this little loop here. This loop right here is permanent. It's inside the device. But then the other one down here is adjustable to where it'll tighten around your toes. Everyone's toes are different, clearly, so that's why they make them adjustable. But once you get it to your foot type, you can actually just, a little trick, is you can sew a seam through here, and that way it'll just stay in place and not want to lift up whenever it's gone through wear and tear. So how you apply this is, it shows you on the box just one toe. I say apply it to two toes. Most common hammer toes that we see are the second and third. So you want this fat part towards the big toe. You apply it directly around your toes like that. Flip it around. You'll give it a nice tug to where it's nice and secure. You can even eventually trim that strap if you need to, but that's not necessarily the case, like I said, with that little seam. And then what you'll notice is if you look to where my contact will be with the ground, here, my toes are actually lifted off the ground. That's going to give you relief to those tips of those toes there that can cause pressure with hammer toes, as well as the strap here whenever you have the hammer toes that have the corns on top or pain to those joints. This is going to offload that a little bit for you to where that won't put as much pressure on your shoes. If you have any questions about how to apply any of these devices, you can give us a call at Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas, or if you're in the Dallas area, go ahead and schedule an appointment with us today and we can take care of all of your needs.